don't know what it is about doing videos like this on my phone. It's so weird and so awkward. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. It's TVO Designs. Um, we in here. We in here. Happy January. Happy New Year. Whatever it is you got going on today. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a weird, I guess you could say, car blog, because lately I've been doing a lot of other stuff and I haven't really been on my channel. It's weird. That's why I don't like doing this, because I don't even know which direction to look in. Anyway, here we are. Okay, so boom. Got my little coffee. I'm having my late coffee. And I decided to go ahead and upload a video because realistically, I really don't know where this channel is going at this point. If you have been around for a while, I started my sewing journey quite a while ago. And honestly, I am taking a hiatus. I'll probably not do as much because it's, this is the thing. I have to be in a space to be able to be creative, and it's certain things that come with that. I'm not in that space, and I'm just being honest. Not in a bad way. It just takes a lot of space, time, and energy to create. And if anything, if I decide to create, everything that I create is just going to be for a video. That is it. That is all. I'm not in the space of trying to sell anything anymore. I did scale back and do a small Etsy page, and honestly, I'm getting tired of Etsy, honestly, altogether. So I really don't even know how that's going to pan out. I don't even know what that looks like right now, and I'm just being honest. I really don't know where this channel is going to go. But what I am going to do, I'm going to give myself 3 months to see if this is something that I really want to do, because it's a lot to do. It's a lot of things, and I'm just, I guess you could say, embracing the winter. I'm really going to take my time, which I think is something that a lot of people need to do. But I'm talking about my journey and what I am about to do. I'm going to take time to embrace the fall. There are parts of the fall that have to fall off. Concepts, things you need to let go, yada, 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 all of the above, right? So basically, that's what I'm looking at. And I'm sitting here in my car filming this video because I just really feel like I want to be honest and transparent. And I'm not saying, I've honestly, with my sewing journey, it was something that I taught myself. It was very therapeutic, and it was something that I wanted to use to help other people work through certain areas of their life. Not only that, knowing that it helps some people inspire that journey, unlock that other creative side of themselves, and I love that for them. I will not be taking any of my videos down. Now what I will do, I will definitely take a few of my techniques that I created, and I will make digital products, and I will have them available, and I will group them with certain videos. That way it's just custom just to that certain item. But excuse me, again, it's certain parts of handmade I don't want no parts of anymore, and I'm okay with that. I'm a very well-versed human being, so I really don't I don't know. I just feel like it's other things that's calling me and pulling my attention. So more than likely, I'll probably start uploading different videos about things that I really, really enjoy doing, other things that I like to talk about and share with people. So again, the goal was to inspire. I feel like I've done all that. I've conquered. From time to time, I will definitely try to drop some type of video, some type of content. Even if I come through and share some of the stuff that I make for myself, because like in the spring, I like to make maxi dresses. So more than likely, I'll go and purge through my maxi collection, and then I will definitely find probably a few patterns put a few of those up and then just kind of go from there, because realistically, I don't know. I just feel like I need to take a major break from social media, as it relates to a lot of stuff. And I don't know. And I don't really know what else to say, but I really enjoyed my time over here on YT. I met a lot of wonderful people. I just feel like right now I have to regroup, sit back, lay my plans out, and make my next step my best step, if that makes sense. Okay. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. I'm going to go ahead and upload this video today. Later on today, I do have a video. I want to say it's at like 4 o'clock. I hope you guys enjoy that video. Please watch the video out. More than likely, once it premieres, I'll add it to my my other one, and then I'll go with my on my posts. That way you can see it. But I think one of the things I had to take my time to separate and just be in my own creative space and create my own flow. I feel like I had to let certain things fall off of my page to be able to get into the space of, like, who's really here and who's not, and who is actually watching the content and who's not. So I did not want to spend all of the time building it, doing something else, because I had a combination of things going on my page. So I'm trying to wean that out. It might be a few videos that I go through, get rid of, whatever the case may be. That's what I'm just going to do. But anyway, I'm gone.